Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Boing. And today is acting Ratchet in front of my nieces to get their reaction. And you see how I'm looking. I need to get I need something funnier like this. Like stuck on a we got it. Where's the let's see. Need some type of barrettes to look crazy. Acting Ratchet. I don't know, but this is what we're gonna do. I want to get their hardcore reaction. So, how do I look, guys? Most Maybach. Okay, let's get their reaction. Let's go. Honey, let's go. What's up in the hood? Yeah. I got my money in my house. My wig, my hair. Woo! Yeah. See, I got money in the bank. Yeah. Come on. Yeah. Let's go to the strip club, girl. Let's go. Come on. We got these guys out here. They're waiting for us. My hair paste. Come on,
no, do you see what she's doing, man?
Come on, let's go. Oh, could you get that, honey? I've sent 10 bands on that. I sent 10 bands. Yeah. Hey, Roro. You know I look good, right? Can you give me a 10 out of 10, honey? 10 out of 10? Yeah. Hey, don't you eat that. Don't you eat that. That's bad for you. So, let's go to the club, girl. Let's go. Let's shake some money, but let's shake some butts. Come on. Hey, Roro. How are you? You like my hairstyle? What? Come on. See?
You know you, man.
I'm a gangster. You don't recognize me. I'm a gangster. What? Yeah. Yeah. See, I got this. See, look at my apple, my hair. My hair here. I spent $2,000 on this. Christina, what you want? You want to get into a fight? Let's go.
No, bro.
Okay, that was funny. I got my hair done, and I'm looking cute right now with my two Gucci piece outfit from Timu, and I'm about to go to the club with my girl. She needs to get ready so we can shake our ass, so we can do what we gotta do and get this money. Okay, like my son is over here. He is looking at me. Hey, do you see me? Huh? Do I look good to you? Huh? What? Why you doing like that? I look pretty, right? Can you give me a 10 out of 10? Come on, dude. Come on. Are we serious?
What the hell is going on? I'm a beat.
Oh, look at this. I'm a ballerina. Woo!
She's crazy.
Woo! Woo! Yeah!
Her wig fell off again.
Here's my baby. Throw that. Where's my baby Carlotta? It's okay. I'm gonna get you some milk. Don't worry about it. My wig. Girl, that club was awesome. It was off the chain for shizzy. Like, I was telling you, this guy was up on me. You were dancing like crazy. My wig fell off. Now you not. Baby, it's okay. Let's get you some milk. Oh, it's okay. Let's get you some milk. Let's put you down. Here you go.
Again.
Yeah. Woo! Here you go. Get some milk. Here, get some milk. There you go. Yeah.